Thank you for tuning in to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Guys, today I will be tackling my refrigerator. Now on this particular channel, you're going to find a little bit of home decor, DIY, shop with me, clean with me, decorating on a budget, and anything pertaining to real estate. So, my refrigerator cleaning is long overdue. So I am going to go ahead on and just remove everything out of the refrigerator, and I'm going to take you along with me. So let's go ahead on and jump into this video. All right, let's go. Now this is what my refrigerator is looking like. A mess, hot mess. Okay, this is what my refrigerator is looking like right now. So I got to do something with it. As you can see, it's unorganized. So let's do something about this. So we just want to start by taking some of this stuff out. And I might not put everything back in it. These are some leftover plates. What I'm doing right here is I'm just taking out the items, and the ones that are old, I'm going to trash those, and I will put the ones that I will be using back inside of the refrigerator. But here I got a little smarter. Instead of me carrying piece by piece in my hands, I found me a container, and I start putting these items in there, so this saved me a lot of time. I'm going to take all of the big items downstairs to my freezer. Here I'm just going to use some dishwashing detergent and some disinfectant solution to clean the fridge. Now this refrigerator has so many different parts, so you will see me from time to time putting out different parts, taking it to the sink so I can clean it. And sometimes spilled beverages and food get caught in between the ridges in the door, and so I'm just taking my time and going between each ridge to make sure that all of the particles are removed, and that is very important when you are cleaning. Now I'm going to take my time and open my door because this is where my husband places all of his open beverages, and sometimes they spilled and he doesn't have time to clean it out, so I have to go in and clean it up. I guess that's what wives are for. As you can see, I'm cleaning the top of my refrigerator because most times this is one area that we tend to overlook when we are cleaning the interior as well as the exterior. So I know there's a lot of dust build up coming from the ceiling fan, so I just want to make sure everything is nice and clean. Hey, I'm just showing you the smears that on my refrigerator. If you can take a close look at them. So I got to get all of that clean. Here I'm using a solution called Method Still for Real. Okay, here's the finished result on the exterior. And I finally got this cleaned out. There it is there, and there's the door in door. And here's the door in door. So got that all clean. And ta-da, the interior. Oh, finally got that clean as well. All of that is clean. All of my drawers are clean. Got that. All my shelves are clean. And finally got this here clean. And this spot right here, I can't get it up because it was some type of packaging, maybe meats that had that blue label on it. So I'm gonna let my husband clean that. He specializes in cleaning stuff like that. So I'm gonna leave that part up to him. And I also got this area here clean. So now guys, I'm just gonna put my stuff back in the refrigerator. Some of the stuff going back in here, some of it is being trashed. Point blank. Eggs back in here. Okay guys, what a job. So got everything cleaned out, got my items, some of my items placed back in here. As I said at the beginning, some of the items will not be going back in here, and a lot of them didn't. So but I went on and took out a lot of items that I was not using, trash, and I went on and added the rest of my items in here. So this is what it's looking like. It's a whole lot cleaner and organized. So there's my door in door. And guys, I just want to point this out that my sister-in-law, Judith Strickland, she purchased this little it's like a little cutting board, but I wish I could find two. And what I do is I keep it in here, and like if I'm putting like maybe pans, pots, something like that, I will just use that to protect the surface here. Okay. So there it is. Oh, and my door in door. There it is right there. So I went on and organized that as well. And this is what I got here. Went on, stack my items up neatly. And at the bottom, you can see I got rid of all of those extra items. Okay guys, like I said, my channel is like DIY home decor. Shop with me, clean with me, decorating on a budget, and anything pertaining to real estate. So if you guys like this content, and if this is your first time, you have not already subscribed to my channel, just go ahead on and hit that subscribe button. Leave me comments because comments help my channel grow. And I thank you guys for hanging in here with me. And this is Mary Precious Jones, Huntsville, better known as Precious. I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future because your future looks good on you. Bye-bye. Be blessed.